Hello, Professor. This is John Perez from the EFDT team doing my update on the Bollinger Bands, specifically on the parameters I fixed to make it dynamic at the moment of testing. We have these parameters here: the squeeze ratio, the expansion ratio, and the window length. This window length is what permits basically to change the length of the window. As you can see, there are parameters here in the expert advisor. So right now I had it at 5, but I'm noticing longer lengths have better results. So over here, if we go to the inputs on 5, we can change it to 10. And right now I have set the long and the short to just check for squeezes and expansion. So it's not going to check for profit or like the indicators that Gordon said. I can set it back real quick, but just to show how it's detecting the squeezes over here. There's a squeeze here and a squeeze, then the expansion over here. So it does so pretty good. There's a squeeze and expansion over here. The longer I've noticed, for example, these, like for example here, it's not noticing an expansion, and stuff like this one works better with shorter. So there is a sweet spot. I believe it's somewhere between 15 and 5 that I'm still testing, and I have to fix also the head. So right now I'm working on to make the head dynamic as well. Since there's a couple of for loops, it's taking me longer than a day, but it should be done by tomorrow. Also, what else? Other parameters that I'm using. So the ratio is already there. You can check them over here. I have 0.7, 1.2. As I make this bigger, it's possible to make this one bigger too. So, but around 0.65 is what's been working the best for me, and 1.4 for this one is what's been working for me the best. So I'll be finished with that, and I'll make it work with the breakage of the line as Gordon described, and then I'm moving on to the other modules. That's it for Bollinger.